Hi, I'm Rick with Leslie's Pool Care Tips. Today we're going to talk about some common problems with pools, including how to clear cloudy water. Some of the most common reasons for cloudy water could be pollen, dust, maybe you had a pool party, or you've just got unbalanced chemicals. Here are some of the supplies you may need: a test kit or test strips, a chlorine shock, a non-chlorine shock, and water clarifier. In order to fix cloudy water, there are a few different ways you can approach it. Most of the time, the reason you have cloudy water is because your chemicals are out of balance. So you want to make sure you test the water first. There's a few different ways you can go about it. You can use a liquid test kit, or you can use test strips. I really prefer to use the test strips when at home because they're quick, convenient, and super cost effective. Now, if you don't want to do either of those at home, you can always bring in a water sample to your local Leslie's and they'll test it for you for free. Then once you have your results from the water test, you want to follow the recommendations to get it back in balance. So as an example, when following the recommendations, if your chlorine level is low, you want to make sure to shock the pool. Then once your chlorine level is back in balance, if the water's still cloudy, you want to go ahead and use a clarifier. You can use something like this, Ultra Bright, which is terrific if you had some dust or there was a storm and you need to go ahead and clear the water. Or if you've got a lot of pollen or the water's cloudy because you cleaned up some algae, you've got dead algae in the water or even oils in the water, then you would use something like this, which is clearing. All right, so your pool water is back in balance, but if your pool is still cloudy, you want to make sure to go ahead and check your circulation. Check your skimmer baskets, your pump basket, and the pressure gauge on top of your filter. If the pressure is running too low or too high, that could be a problem. If it's running 8 to 10 psi higher than your normal operating pressure, you want to either clean your filter, backwash your filter, or have it serviced. A cloudy pool isn't just an appearance issue, it's a safety concern. And as a dad of 2 kids, I understand how important it is to keep that pool clean, clear, and safe. To learn more, visit our blog or stop into one of our stores. We're always here to help. Again, I'm Rick. Thanks for joining me on Leslie's Pool Care Tips.